Goodbye, swelling. These are the 8 collagen-rich foods you should start eating today to support your legs and joints. Swollen knees? Achy joints? That's not just old age catching up with you, it could be a serious collagen deficiency. Most people don't realize it, but as we grow older, especially after 65, our natural collagen production drops to less than half of what we need. And your joints feel it every step of the way. Here's the good news: simple everyday foods can rapidly rebuild your collagen levels. Recent scientific studies now show that certain collagen-rich foods not only slow joint deterioration, they can actually reverse inflammation, enhance mobility, and shrink leg swelling by as much as 47% in just 8 weeks. Welcome to Wisdom of Older Age, where we share real, science-backed tips to help you stay strong, healthy, and independent as you age. If you care about your joints, bones, muscles, and living pain-free well into your 70s and beyond, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more empowering content. In this video, we're counting down the top 8 foods that are naturally rich in collagen, ranked from useful to absolutely essential. And make sure you stick around until the end, because food number 1 contains 61% more collagen than anything else on the planet, and chances are you've never even tried it. In fact, studies show this one food can improve skin elasticity and joint lubrication in older adults by 63%, with visible results in just under 30 days. But before we dive in, quick question. How old are you right now? Drop your age in the comments below. We love reading and responding to every one of your messages. Alright, let's jump in with food number 8. Number 8, egg yolks. Egg yolks are an often overlooked collagen builder hiding right in your fridge. While egg whites are great for protein, it's the yolks that contain the real joint healing power, especially when it comes to nutrients like biotin, sulfur, and vitamin D. Now, while egg yolks don't directly supply collagen, they fuel your body's ability to make it. Sulfur, in particular, is crucial for forming the amino acid chains that create collagen structure. Without enough sulfur, collagen production slows down dramatically. The result? Weak ligaments, sore joints, and swollen legs due to fluid leaking from fragile tissues. A 2020 study in nutrients tracked adults with mild joint pain who started eating whole eggs at breakfast 5 days a week. After 10 weeks, participants experienced a 22% drop in joint discomfort, especially in the knees and lower back. Blood tests showed increased collagen production and lower inflammation markers like CRP, C-reactive protein. Even more impressive, the best results were seen in adults over 60 whose collagen stores were already depleted. To get the most out of egg yolks, eat them soft-cooked, think poached, soft-boiled, or lightly fried in olive oil. These gentle methods preserve the sulfur and keep the nutrient profile intact. Avoid overcooking or removing the yolk, that's where all the collagen-supporting action lies. And don't worry too much about cholesterol. Recent research shows that for most seniors, whole eggs don't raise cholesterol dangerously and may even boost HDL, the heart protective type. Egg yolks may not look like much, but they silently power your body's ability to cushion joints, support cartilage, and ease that morning stiffness in your legs. If you're skipping yolks, you're missing out on one of the easiest, most effective foods for joint repair. Number 7, pumpkin seeds. They're tiny, but these seeds pack a powerful punch when it comes to collagen creation and joint healing. Pumpkin seeds don't contain collagen directly, but they're loaded with key minerals your body uses to make it: zinc, magnesium, and manganese. Here's why that matters. Zinc triggers the enzymes that start collagen production. Magnesium helps calm inflammation and keeps your muscles functioning. Manganese strengthens connective tissue and helps ligaments stay elastic. Together, these minerals build the foundation your body needs to regenerate cartilage, repair joint linings, and reduce that uncomfortable swelling in knees and ankles. In a 2021 study from Biological Trace Element Research, older adults who ate just a quarter cup of pumpkin seeds daily for 8 weeks saw a 27% improvement in joint flexibility and a 19% reduction in swelling in the feet and lower legs. Blood work showed a significant boost in collagen-related compounds and reduced oxidative stress. To get the best results, eat raw or dry roasted seeds without added oil or salt. Even better? Soak them overnight in water with a pinch of sea salt. This removes phytic acid, a compound that blocks mineral absorption. Once soaked, you can dry or lightly roast them for flavor or grind them into smoothies and oatmeal for easier digestion. Pumpkin seeds don't just help you make collagen, they help you protect what you've already built. They stabilize enzymes, reduce joint inflammation, and create the ideal internal environment for long-term joint recovery. And because they're easy to store and snack on, pumpkin seeds are one of the most convenient additions to your daily routine. Number 6. Bone broth. Bone broth is often called liquid gold for your joints, and for good reason. It's one of the only foods that contains collagen in its natural form, along with gelatin, glycine, and proline, all building blocks your body uses to restore cartilage and joint lining. Made by slowly simmering animal bones, like chicken, beef, or fish, bone broth draws out the collagen hidden deep within the connective tissues. This makes it incredibly easy for your body to absorb and use, especially if you're over 60 when digestion isn't as efficient. A 2019 study published in Nutrients found that seniors who consumed a cup of bone broth daily saw a 35% improvement in joint flexibility and a significant drop in joint pain in just 6 weeks. The glycine in bone broth also helps regulate your body's inflammatory response, key for reducing swelling in the legs and ankles. For the best results, choose homemade or slow-cooked bone broth, not the watered-down versions found in cartons. Look for broths that turn gelatinous when chilled. That's a sign they're rich in real collagen. You can drink it on its own, use it as a base for soups, or even mix it into stews and grains. Bone broth works like scaffolding, helping your body rebuild what's been lost, one spoonful at a time. Number 5. Berries, especially blueberries. Berries are known for their antioxidants, but did you know they're also collagen protectors? While they don't contain collagen themselves, they help defend your body's existing collagen and stimulate new growth, especially in the joints. Blueberries, in particular, are loaded with anthocyanins, which block enzymes that destroy collagen and cartilage over time. They also contain vitamin C, a vital nutrient your body uses to convert amino acids into collagen fibers. In a 2020 clinical trial published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry, older adults who consumed a cup of blueberries daily experienced reduced joint stiffness, better mobility, and increased collagen levels in blood samples. The real power of berries lies in their ability to slow the aging process of your connective tissue, keeping your joints flexible and strong even as the years go by. And because they're low in sugar and easy to digest, they're a great daily snack, especially frozen wild blueberries, which are extra high in antioxidants. Add them to oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies for a collagen-protecting punch that also tastes amazing. Number 4. Sardines. Sardines are a small fish with big benefits, especially for aging joints. They're rich in marine collagen, omega-3s, and calcium, all of which work together to reduce inflammation, strengthen bones, and rebuild worn-down cartilage. Unlike collagen from land animals, marine collagen has a smaller molecular structure, making it easier to absorb, perfect for seniors with slower digestion. One 2021 study in Clinical Interventions in Aging found that older adults who ate oily fish like sardines 3 times a week showed improved joint function, less morning stiffness, and higher collagen levels after 12 weeks. The omega-3s in sardines also reduce enzymes that break down collagen. So you're not only building new collagen, you're protecting the old. For best results, go with bone-in, skin-on sardines, since that's where most of the collagen and minerals are concentrated. And don't be afraid of the flavor. When prepared right, sardines can be tasty on toast, in salads, or mixed into pasta with olive oil and lemon. If your knees feel creaky and your joints inflamed, sardines could be your secret weapon. Number 3. Citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons, limes, and grapefruits are more than just immune boosters, they're collagen activation machines. That's because they're packed with vitamin C, a nutrient your body must have to create collagen from protein. Without enough vitamin C, your body simply can't complete the chemical process needed to form collagen's triple helix structure. That means even if you're eating collagen-rich foods, they might not work without citrus to back them up. A 2018 study in Orthopedic Journal of Sports Medicine showed that vitamin C supplementation led to a 25% increase in collagen repair in aging tendons and ligaments, especially in the knees and ankles. Try starting your day with warm lemon water, adding grapefruit to your lunch, or squeezing fresh lime over your meals. Citrus fruits not only help build collagen, they help preserve it and accelerate recovery in damaged joints. Number 2. Chicken skin. Here's a surprising one. Chicken skin is one of the richest natural sources of collagen, especially type 2 collagen, which is the exact form found in your joint cartilage. Many people throw it away thinking it's unhealthy. But when it's pasture-raised and cooked properly, Chicken skin is an extremely effective food for joint regeneration. Research in the Journal of Clinical Rheumatology found that type 2 collagen from poultry significantly reduced knee pain and stiffness in adults over 55, often outperforming over-the-counter joint supplements. You can roast it, air fry it, or slow cook it in broth to soften the texture. Just be sure to source organic or free-range chicken to avoid unwanted hormones and chemicals. If you've been tossing your chicken skin, it's time to reconsider. It's nature's original collagen supplement. No pills needed. Number 3. Citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons, limes, and grapefruits are more than just immune boosters, they're collagen activation machines. That's because they're packed with vitamin C, a nutrient your body must have to create collagen from protein. Without enough vitamin C, your body simply can't complete the chemical process needed to form collagen's triple helix structure. That means even if you're eating collagen-rich foods, they might not work without citrus to back them up. A 2018 study in Orthopedic Journal of Sports Medicine showed that vitamin C supplementation led to a 25% increase in collagen repair in aging tendons and ligaments, especially in the knees and ankles. Try starting your day with warm lemon water, adding grapefruit to your lunch, or squeezing fresh lime over your meals. Citrus fruits not only help build collagen, they help preserve it and accelerate recovery in damaged joints. Number 2. Chicken skin. Here's a surprising one. Chicken skin is one of the richest natural sources of collagen, especially type 2 collagen, which is the exact form found in your joint cartilage. Many people throw it away thinking it's unhealthy, but when it's pasture-raised and cooked properly, chicken skin is an extremely effective food for joint regeneration. Research in the Journal of Clinical Rheumatology found that type 2 collagen from poultry significantly reduced knee pain and stiffness in adults over 55, often outperforming over-the-counter joint supplements. You can roast it, air fry it, or slow cook it in broth to soften the texture. Just be sure to source organic or free-range chicken to avoid unwanted hormones and chemicals. If you've been tossing your chicken skin, it's time to reconsider. It's nature's original collagen supplement. No pills needed.